In this video, we're going to look at refraction of light and how light is going to change direction when going through a piece of material. Okay, so here I have a ray box that's going to make some light, a thin ray of light, and I have a piece here of glass which is transparent, which is going to let light go through. So first let's have a look at what happens. So if my ray of light arrives perpendicularly on a piece of glass, it's not going to be deviated, okay? It's going to go right through it in a straight line. But what is interesting is if I change the angle of the ray of light. So here we go, my light is going to enter at an angle, okay, and what I'm going to see is that is going to be deviated. So I need to do a bit of drawing, so I'm going to put marks of where it enters the block of light and where it comes out. So here you go, and here you go. So if I remove my piece of glass, you can see that the ray is actually somewhere else. Okay, so let me turn the light on so you can see what I'm doing. Let's remove this. So the ray arrived in a straight line here, okay, and it came out in a straight line there, which means that in between those 2 points the light slightly changed direction. Okay, so if I measure, so I'm going to draw a normal here. So remember, the normal is the line that is perpendicular to the plane where my light arrives. This angle here is going to be different from this angle there. Okay, and same here, when the light comes out of the piece of glass, it's also going to be slightly deviated. Okay, and this angle here will be the same as this angle there. And interestingly, this angle here, when it comes back to the air, is the same as the angle we had originally. Okay, and the light is going to change direction because it travels faster in the air. So here the light travels faster than in glass, because the glass is more dense than air. Is going to slow down the light. Okay, and when the light slows down, it's going to slightly change direction, and between here and there is going to go from glass to air, and again the light is going to reaccelerate here, changing its direction. Okay, and this is refraction. So let's see with another piece of material what I would get. So I'm going to replace glass by some plastic. Let's see if the same thing happened. I'll turn the light off. I'm going to slightly change my camera, so you can see that the deviation is approximately kind of exactly the same. Okay, so both those pieces of material are going to slow down the light to the same speed, which is why light is deviated with the same angle. Okay, this was refraction, guys. Thank you very much.